Welcome back. Today I will show you how to make a delicious buttery cake that's soft, golden and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Start by sifting 125 grams of flour into a bowl. A pinch of salt, 12 grams of sugar, 10 grams of yeast, 25 grams of butter, 1 egg yolk, 60 milliliters of lukewarm milk. Mix everything together until rough dough forms. Once you're done, just do some light kneading for about a minute or so. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes or double in size. While waiting, let's prepare the baking tray. Since the dough is quite buttery, you don't need to flour your work surface or rolling pin. Since I'm making a quarter recipe, I'm just shaping it into a rough rectangle, but if you are making a full recipe, roll it out to fit your baking pan. Place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. The dough might look quite rough, and that's normal. Once you are done, cover the dough again and let it rise for another 20 minutes. Now use your fingers to create small dimplets evenly across the dough. For the topping, first sprinkle a layer of almond flakes evenly over the dough. Sprinkle the sugar on top of the almond flakes. You can adjust the amount based on how sweet you want the cake. Finally, place small pieces of butter on top. This way, the butter will sit on the almond flakes, pressing them down slightly and preventing them from burning. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 25 minutes or until golden brown. Once the cake is done baking, let it cool slightly, then slice it into bars for easy serving. Enjoy!